Thank you for visiting Jeff Smith's County Chevrolet in Essex. Check out this quality certified pre-owned vehicle in stock and available for sale now. Each pre-owned vehicle undergoes a thorough 152-plus point inspection and is reconditioned to the highest standards to meet our stringent dealer certified status. Each is also backed by a 3-month, 6,000-kilometer warranty and a free car-proof vehicle report outlining the vehicle's entire history. Also, all our vehicles are market value priced, which means we're always priced below the competition. There's no need to worry about negotiating a great deal because we've priced all our pre-owned vehicles aggressively in order to give you the best price up front. Great finance rates are always available through all major banks, and our financial service managers will ensure you receive the right terms to suit your budget. We even offer an extended warranty program, setting you on the road to carefree driving for years to come. Here at County Chevrolet, if your vehicle needs maintenance or repairs, we have service loaner vehicles available. Or use our valet service to pick up and drop off your vehicle when service is completed. Or feel comfortable in our customer lounge with free refreshments, cable TV, children's play area, and free Wi-Fi. Speaking of service, we invite you to check out our new Express Quick Loop facility and fully automatic 24-hour car wash. Each Quick Loop service also comes with a full vehicle interior vacuum, floor mat shampoo, and a free car wash. We invite you to experience exceptional service in a friendly atmosphere at Jeff Smith's County Chevrolet in Essex. Thank you for visiting. We're located at 224 Talbot Street North in Essex, Ontario, and always online at countychevroletessex.com, where our new and pre-owned inventory is updated daily.